major intersection. You're going to turn left again.
Ooh. Wow.
A bomb went off. I told you we should have been filming it. It's too late. Let me say the flash grenade that they're going in to take out the guy. That might not have been an explosion from
from the police.
That didn't sound like a really violent explosion. That could have been a flashbang. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here live, and I'm effing. Oh, gunshots, gunshots, gunshots. Gunshots, y'all. I'm live, y'all. We just heard a huge explosion. We heard a few gunshots, and I think it's over.